pumpkin seed, like you see it, may be small, maybe too tiny, but they have full valuable nutrients in it. So if there's a video you like to relate with, stay tuned and enjoy yourself. Let's go there. Yeah. Guys, before we go into the video proper, I want to beg us for one thing, one particular thing. Guys, this phone that I'm using to film is giving me headache, it's giving me problem. I need to change it. Guys, I need money. The only way you can do it for me is by watching my video. Don't skip the ad, join my membership, do anything you can that can add to my revenue so that I can get a new phone for myself. Guys, I wish you are close to me. Oh my God, I know you have a good heart, a beautiful and amazing heart. I will come to your house, and if you are using two phones, I know you will definitely give Miriam Lamzi one, because the phone that I'm looking for now, it is not the one that I will use in doing anything. The phone that I need now is the phone that I want to keep my YouTube going, be consistent and be uploading more video, guys. So please don't skip my ads, support me in any way you can. And if you have phone you want to dash me, I'm open to it. I know they reject something, okay? I'm using style to beg now, yes. So guys, I love you guys, so watch the video from the beginning to the end and please don't skip the ad, okay? I love you. Mwah. Mwah. How do you see my hair? Leave it in the comment section. Is it beautiful? Thank you guys. Hey guys, hi beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your bell so that you'll not miss any of my video. YouTube will get to notify you each time I upload a new video. If you are new here, seeing this very beautiful face for the very first time, my name is Miriam Lamzi, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja but presently serving in Anambra State, Awka, Nigeria. Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to share some health benefits again. So if it's a video you like to relate with, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Let's do this. Yeah, let me shock you, it has a lot of benefits, a lot of full nutrients in it. Okay, so if it's a video you like to relate, grab your peanuts because I'm going to share some health benefits of pumpkin seed with you guys. It helps build the immune, okay guys? It fights bacteria, viruses, and it has a lot of nutrients. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the video or the health benefits. Let's go there. Yeah. Okay guys, number one benefit is that it is full of valuable nutrient like fiber, protein, vitamin K, magnesium, iron, zinc and copper. Guys, you can see all these nutrients, all these valuable nutrients is from this little tiny seed you are seeing here. So consuming a whole lot of it is going to help build your immune, fight a whole lot of virus from your body. All these free radicals in your body is going to fight them, kata kata kata. Guys, number two health benefit is high in antioxidants. That it contains antioxidants, okay? Antioxidant, that it is going to fight against or reduce inflammation, heart disease, all those things that you can mention, okay? So and so on and so forth. Consuming a whole lot of it is going to help you fight so many heart disease, cancer, name it guys. So let's go to the second one. The next health benefit is to reduce the rates of cancer. Okay guys, the next health benefit, it control high blood pressure, it control the rate of cancer, it control many things. It puts your immune together, it build you a strong bone, like it make your bone strong guys. Please guys, don't mind my English, okay? So the next health benefit is improve sugar level. Okay guys, so stay tuned. The next health benefit, it help in improving sperm. Yeah, because of the high zinc in it, so it help the quality fertility in a man, or in a man. So guys, if you have watched to this extent, guys, and you are still watching, what are you waiting for? Give me that like button, like this video, and subscribe if you have watched to this extent for more videos. Guys, it improve your sleep. When you are taking it, you have a smooth sleep. You will be sleeping like a baby. So guys, do this and come and thank me in the comment section, because as you know, Miriam Ramsey prescribe and God do the healing. Guys, what are you waiting for? If you have watched to this extent, give me like button now. Please like this video, share it for me, okay guys? If you find this video very interesting, guys, what are you waiting for? Give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your loved ones. Like I say, pumpkin leaf has a lot of benefit. So when you are consuming it, is good for your body, it is good for your health. Consume it, okay, and come and thank me in the comment section. If you have not started eating pumpkin seed, go and get your own now, okay guys? So join my membership, support my channel in any way you can, that will add to my revenue. I love you guys. Till I come your way next time. Bye bye.